Welcome to Smart World Career. I am Jasmine, and today we will be going through the first lecture of the subject Organizational Behaviour, which is a part of our MBA and PGDM course. There are a few main objectives to this subject, and by the end of this course, you should be able to answer the following questions. What is organizational behavior? Why does organizational behavior matter? What is organizational culture? How to develop good leaders? And how can I maximize my learning in this course? We will first start introducing organizational behavior by delving into what an organization is. An organization is a collection of people who work together to achieve individual and organizational goals. The work of each and every person is defined, and authority and responsibility is fixed for accomplishing the same. To get your mind going, can you think of some examples of organizations? Then, we will move on to organizational behavior. It is the study of both group and individual performance and activity within an organization. This area of study examines human behavior in a work environment and determines its impact on job structure, performance, communication, motivation, leadership, etc. There are various justifications as to why organizational behavior matters and is important. But at the very base of it all, they matter at three critical levels. These levels are the individual level, group level, and organizational level. We will break down each of these levels now. For organizational behavior for the individual level, we look at personal qualities and skills that may affect an individual's productivity and behavior in the organization. The following are top 5 qualities and skills that are deemed important: verbal and written communication skills, honesty and integrity, interpersonal skills, motivation and initiative, and lastly, strong work ethic. Next is organizational behavior at the group level. This looks into the recognition and understanding of group dynamics and development within and between multiple people in an organization. Additionally, you will understand the differences between groups and teams, be able to compare and contrast different types of teams, understand how to design effective and productive teams, explore ideas around teams and ethics, and to accommodate prevalent times, to understand cross-cultural influence on teams. Lastly, we will look into organizational behavior at the organizational level. We will first define organizational structure, then identify the basic elements of structure, explain the difference between mechanistic and organic structure, and describe factors shaping an organizational structure. You will describe matrix, boundaryless, and learning organizations, understand how structure can affect ethics, values, and culture, and of course, to understand cross-cultural influences on structure and change. Thank you for listening.